I have a JD 2500 gas greens mower with no spark. The igniter and voltage reg have both been replaced to no avail. Battery is strong. The two wires from the stator tested the same as a new 1 ohm scale. Help.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. The voltage regulator and stator have nothing to do with the spark. You have 2 pickup coils, 2 ignition coils, and the igniter. You have changed the igniter. I think you have either oil pressure switch or transducer killing the spark. Have you located the oil switch and unplugged it? With loss of spark on both cylinders, it is not likely both pickup coils or both ignition coils went out at same time. That's why I think you have outside source shorting out the spark. The engine has thermo switch and oil pressure switch, either can kill spark. Let me know. Thank you.
With either switch grounded or open, there still is no spark. Both triggers show identical voltage, both coils are same with ohms. I have 20 years experience with ATVs and M cycles all kinds, but ain't seen anything like this. Any additional ideas would help. The machine is sitting in a location 12 miles away, so my answers may be late in coming. Thanks for anything.
Do you have wiring diagram on the unit? The key switch is kill wire. See if the ignition switch is grounding the spark.
I checked the blocks and the block/WHT wires at the switch. They are grounded at off and open at on and start. The red ones are also doing what they're supposed to do. I would love to have a wiring diagram or an ignition/start diagram, but they are hard to come by. Any additional pointers would help. Thank you. Tony.
Here is a link from one of the other experts on the Kawasaki ignition system on an FD620. To me, it looks to be the same system. Maybe it will help. http://worldwar2.justanswer.com/upload/co/conservative/2030-601_12440_FD620_service_manual.pdf.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.